Hello, today I'm going to show you what is to do if you have some malfunction with your automatic open and close function of your windows, electric windows. That means if you have disconnected the battery before, so the one touch open and close function must be reactivated if the battery has been disconnected. Sometimes, there it is. But now there is a malfunction in it. We cannot have the open and closing option automatically. That sucks. So let's do it. Now we have to relearn this function at this time, as you can see now. Pull and hold the electric window switch until the window is fully closed. Release the switch and then pull it again for at least 1 second. That is enough. Good job. Now the malfunction should have a solution with it. Let's have a look. Oh, it works. And of course, you can do this for all windows separately. And you can do this at once if you push 2 buttons at the same time. Pull and hold the electric window switch until the window is fully closed. This is step number 1. Then release the switch and then pull it again for at least 1 second. And this will have a reset of your automatically one touch open and close function. Okay, again, pull and hold the electric window switch until the window is fully closed, then release the switch and then pull it again for at least 1 second. Job's done. And you have to do this on each window. Which window has a malfunction, so you have to do this. Reset it. And you can use 2 buttons at once, of course, as you can see. Good job, easy going. Now everything is fine and I'm out of here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Yeah, there it is. It works proper. Good job, man. Soon.